Copying faces. The copy option of the solid edit command we're going to find up in the solid editing panel where we want to go down to copy faces. It'll ask us for a face. I'm going to choose the red face here. I'm going to hold my control key down and pick that red face. And I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to pick a base point, so I'm going to just do a shift right click, pick on the end point. I'll pick on this end point. It'll ask me for a second point of displacement. I could key that, I could pick that object, or I could just put a single direct distance entry in, and I'm going to put in something like 4 inches. And now you can see I made a copy of this face. This face here is not part of the solid model. It's a separate object. This object is actually a region. So with the region we could extrude it and do different things with it. This copying of face comes in very handy when we're trying to make like mated parts, or we're trying to make a gasket or something like this. So let's do that again. Let's go up here and we'll copy a face. And so we just need to pick the face. I can do a control and pick the face. I can go up to my selection and I could pick faces if I like. I'll pick on this face. I'll hit enter. Pick a base point. I'm just going to do a shift right click. I'll grab a hold of an end point. And I can come out here and say, let's move it out here 3 inches. And you can see they're just faces. Alright, they're made as a region. So when I actually will do a list command on them and pick on these things, you'll see that it comes up as a region. And that's great, because with the region then we could do all kinds of things like extrude and make this into a various other types of objects. So copying the faces is located in the solid editing, and it's used for copying the face into a region at a certain distance away from the object. And that's found useful for making things such as mating faces, and later on we can revolve them, extrude them, sweep them, etc.